Reporting is a relied-upon feature of Central Station Online. Let's briefly look at your access to reports regarding comments, plans, maintenance, customer activity, unrestored signals, and your account's master file. Comments are internal information regarding dispatching procedures. Plans is a future feature that is currently not being used. Once logged in, maintenance issue reports will display any open contact or call list issue our monitoring center found while working within an alarm. Reports, activity, customer activity. Customer activity is a detailed report of activity that you can save, print, or email. Select the date, display now, download, or email. If you would like to email the report, hit the distribution waypoint, highlight the name you would like to email, and click the plus sign. If there is no email available, you can click Advance, enter the name and email address, then click Add. Then click Send Email, and it will send to the recipients you have added. The Unrestored Signals report shows any unrestored signals on your account. This would be generated the same as the Customer Activity report. The master file of your account would display your contacts, call list, and any details in one report.